Hello, my friends. Has it ever happened to you that you are running around from morning till night with meetings at the office, work at home, and scrolling on your phone, but you still feel like you are not getting anywhere in your race of life? The burden of work keeps increasing, and peace of mind just disappears. If yes, then today's video can change your life. We will talk about the 80 by 20 principle by Richard Koch, which teaches how to get more results with less effort and make your life simple, productive, and peaceful. Please like this video so that your friend can work harder. Let's start with Jivan's story, which will hook you and open your eyes. The book says that 80% of the results come from just 20% of the effort. This means that the things that truly matter in life are very few. Everything else is a waste of time and energy. This book teaches you to set your priorities, eliminate unnecessary things, and get better results in work, relationships, health, and hobbies. Today, through Jivan's story, we will learn 7 powerful lessons. Jivan is a 25-year-old boy from Delhi who is trapped in office, exams, and family pressure. Let's find out how his life changed and be ready. These lessons can transform your life too. Lesson 1. Understand the 80 by 20 principle. Jeevan worked in an IT company in Delhi. His routine was to go to the office in the morning, attend meetings, and check emails all day, and returned home exhausted at night. He thought that if he worked harder, he would get more success, but he was always stressed. One day, he picked up the 80 by 20 principle book. The first line was focus on the few that matter most. Jeevan thought, I am stuck in everything. The book says 80% of the results come from just 20% of the work. Jeevan wrote down his daily routine in his notebook. He realized that he was spending 80% of his time on useless things like replying to every email and attending unnecessary meetings. He decided to focus only on the essential 20%. How to do it? Take 10 minutes tonight. Write down your daily task on a paper, then make two columns, important and useless. Important are the things that help you achieve your goals, like your projects, skills, and ignore the rest. Pro tip: check this list every week, but the next lesson will lighten your mind. Lesson 2. Eliminate useless things. Jeevan looked at his list. Most of his time was going into useless meetings, social media, and small tasks. The book says to eliminate unnecessary things. Jeevan stopped the habit of going to every meeting in the office. He only chose the meetings that were related to his project. He also stopped replying to every email immediately and focused only on the important ones. In 1 week, he felt less tired. He used the saved time to work on his projects, and his boss praised him. Jeevan started feeling at peace. How to do it? Choose 3 useless things from your daily life: social media, unnecessary chats, all the stuff. reduce or remove them. Pro tip: set a screen time limit on your phone so that you don't waste your time on useless apps. Imagine how much time you will save if you remove useless things. Lesson 3: focus on the important 20%. Jeevan understands that his projects and skills were the 20% that could get him a promotion. The book says to put your energy only into the things that give the most results. Jeevan focused on his top project at the office. He decided to learn a new skill like data analysis. He spent 1 hour every day on the course. After 3 months, his project was rated the best in the company. His boss said, Jeevan, you have done a great job. This was his first emotional moment. How to do it? Choose your goals, such as career growth, a new skill, or better health. Now choose 2 or 3 tasks that will help you to achieve them. Spend 1 or 2 hours on them every day. Pro tip: set reminders on your phone to stay focused, but the next secret will make your productivity skyrocket. Lesson 4: learn to say no. Jeevan had a habit of pleasing everyone. He would help every colleague in the office, whether it was in a meeting or not, and he would get tired. The book says that saying no politely saves your energy. Jeevan started saying no to small things like unnecessary calls and useless meetings. He told his boss, Sir, I want to focus on this project. Can I skip the other meetings? The boss said yes. Jeevan felt his burden had become lighter. He used the saved time to work on his skills and his performance got even better. How to do it? Say no to one thing today, like an unnecessary chat or a useless task. Say politely, I am busy right now. Let's talk later. Pro tip: practice saying no once a day. If you want more tips like this, subscribe to the channel. Lesson 5: declutter your life. Jeevan's room was full of old stuff, old books, clothes, and broken things. The book says that physical and mental clutter drains your energy. Jeevan took a weekend and decluttered his room. He donated old clothes and threw away useless items. His room became clean and he felt peaceful. He also cleaned his desk at the office and kept only important files, which increased his focus. One day, his mother said, Son, your room now looks like a temple. Jeevan smiled. How to do it? Remove 5 useless things from your room or desk and do not clothes, books, or old stuff. Pro tip: set aside one day every month for decluttering. But the next lesson will change your relationships. Lesson number 6: apply the 20% rule to the relationships. Jeevan realized that he spent time with many people who only drained his energy. The book says 20% of people give you 80% of happiness. Jeevan started spending more time with his close friends Rohan and Priya and his family. One day, he had a long conversation with his father, and his father said, Son, you have always made us proud. Jeevan's eyes filled with tears. This was his first emotional moment. He distanced himself from people who only complained. His relationships became stronger. How to do it? Make a list of the 5 most important people in your life who give you positivity. Talk to them at least once a week. Pro tip: distance yourself from bad relationships, but do it politely. But the real game changer is yet to come. Lesson number 7: use leverage. Jeevan, read the last chapter of the book. Leverage to achieve more with less, which means more result with less effort. He delegated small tasks in his office like data entry to a junior. He set up automated filters for invoices. At home, he started using online grocery and bill payment services. This saved his time. He used the saved time to start painting, his old hobby. One day, a college friend saw his painting and said, Jeevan, this should be put in art gallery. Jeevan's confidence got a boost. How to do it? Choose 2 things from your daily task that you can automate or delegate, like online bill payments or delegating work to a junior. Pro tip: try automation apps on your phone like email filters. Takeaway points: understand 80 by 20. 80% of the result come from 20% of the effort. Eliminate useless things. Give up unnecessary tasks and habits. Focus on 20%. Do the work that gives the most results. Say no. Politely refuse unnecessary things. Declutter. Lighten your physical and mental burden. Focus on relationships. Spend time with the 20% of the people who makes you happy. Leverage. Use automation and delegation to get more results with less effort. What do you want to remove from your life today? Write in the comments. I will simplify my life just like Jeevan. You can also make your life simple and productive. The 80 by 20 principle taught him that more success and peace can be found with less effort. If you want to read this whole book, order it. Like the video, share it on WhatsApp groups, subscribe to the channel and comment. I will simplify my life. Let's start today. Your life is about to change. Thank you.